Today we have a 2007 Southwestern Industries Trak DPM FHM5 bed milling machine with Prototrak SMX Cnc control. We will now turn on the spindle at 1,000 RPMs. We will now turn it up to 2,500 RPM. We will now turn it up to 4,000 RPMs, which is the max spindle speed. Now we will jog each axis, X, Y, and Z. The machine and control specifications can be seen on the listing for this machine for sale in our eBay store. Please visit Select Machine on eBay. Thank you for viewing this video.